My name is Chad Sin. I work for Nobility Homes. They've been in the industry for such a long period of time, and they know what to expect and how to help their builders. The product mix and the quality of the material from Texas Door and Trim is far superior to anyone else. They offer anything and everything. If it's custom, I can have most of the doors made directly by Texas Door and Trim inside of their warehouse. Bottom line, they've brought to me stability within my millwork packages. I know what I'm going to get every single time. I know when to expect it. Timing and scheduling has become easier because of Texas Door and Trim. They want to have fun. They want to go through the process with you. They want to help your clients. They know that this can be a very trying time building a house, and they try and make it as easy as possible. They help Nobility Homes mainly with scheduling, pricing, quality, and actually with the customer service. We're not just an in and out client. They want us for the longevity of my company, not just theirs. They want us to succeed. They've done everything they can to make sure that that's going to happen.